Hi everyone, welcome to Math Corner. Today we'll be looking at linear equation. A linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. And the general form of a linear equation is given as ax plus b equals c, where a, b, and c are constants and x is a variable. Alright, so guys, linear equations can be applied in different fields. Now, in physics, linear equations can be applied to describe the motion of objects. In economy, it is used in modeling supply and demand. In computer science, it's used for solving problems in graphic and game development. There are different uses of this linear equation in different fields. So now we're going to look at the general solution of a linear equation. Remember, the general form of a linear equation is given as ax plus b equals c. So how can we get the general solution? We subtract b from both sides. Let's say from both sides of this equation. So we'll be having ax plus b minus b equals c minus b. So this will cancel out this, we'll be left with ax equals c minus b. Then the second thing to do is to divide through by a. When you divide through by a, you will be having x to be equal to c minus b over a. And this is the general solution of a linear equation. There are situations where a linear equation will contain like two variables. What do I mean by that? There are situations you have a linear equation to be like this: x plus y equals 3. There are two variables here, and the important thing to note is that these two variables, all of them, their highest power is 1. So in the case where you're asked to find the value of x and y here, you will need information from another equation. Because this is one equation, you need an information from another equation to solve this, and this will bring us now to what we call simultaneous linear equation. It is a set of two or more equations with the same variables. Okay, so now let's look at an example. Called 1. These are two linear equations that can be solved simultaneously. To solve or to find the value of x and y, here we'll need the information that is in this other equation to achieve that. So there are different methods we can use to solve equations like this. Number one is what we call the substitution method. Number two is what we call the elimination method. Number three is what we call the graphical method. So in our next video, we're going to use the substitution method and the elimination method to solve these two linear equations. So thank you so much for joining us today. We'll continue in our next video. Bye!